love it. Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I am a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about fashion hauls, unboxings, owning your own business, wedding planning, life with celiac, all the things. And I'm so excited for today for an unboxing video. I just did a mega summer haul from Abercrombie. Literally spent $386. I figured I would do the unboxing with you and show you all 9 things that I got. Okay, let's unbox this big box. So I am going to go through each item, tell you the name of it, and let you know what I think of it, how I plan on styling it. You guys can give me your feedback. Got my receipt here, so let's dive into the Abercrombie haul. Also, one thing I will say about this haul, we went with neutrals. Every single item in this haul is either white, off-white, black, or gray, because I feel like that is just the perfect way. If you are looking to invest in some staples for your wardrobe, sticking to neutral colors is an excellent way to do that. So let's dive into it. So for item number 1, we have the A&F Scarlet Wrap Mini Skort. If you've been watching my Abercrombie vlogs for a while, you know this skort. You've seen this skort before. This is one of my most used pieces of clothing, and so I decided to get it in black. I have this skort in red and orange, and I also have the wrap skort in both green and gray, and now black. I am so excited for this. I got this in a size small. I basically got everything in this haul in a size small, but I'll let you know the sizing and everything. But let's try on this skort. I absolutely love this skort. I think it is so cute, so flattering. I know that I'm going to wear this all of the time. This is a great piece for summer, and I got it in a small because I actually like it being slightly, like I've got some room in it. If I wanted it to be super snug, I would have gone with the extra small, but I think it just looks so freaking cute like this. I love the wrap detail. I'll show you guys when I get a little bit closer, but this is a classic item that I am going to wear hundreds of times, because I will wear this for speaking gigs. I'll wear this for the summer. I could wear this easily with a nicer top. I would wear this for a networking event, a date night, a speaking engagement. And if it's the winter, this is a perfect piece for both summer, fall, winter, spring. This is gonna go for every single season because it's black. And for winter, I would pair it with tights and booties. Oh my God, I love it. I love it, I love it. This has been on my need to get list from Abercrombie for so many months, so I'm so happy that I finally splurged and got it. So let me get a little closer for you guys to see it and see this little detail that makes it like the wrap skort, because they make the wrap skort and just the regular. I love both. I have both. So let me show you up close. You can see right here the line. And it looks so cute with little white sneakers. If I want to dress it down, it'll look great with heels or booties if I want to dress it up. I just love this skort. I'm so happy to have it in black because I know that I'm going to wear this all the time. So now that you've seen item 1, which is the skort, let's move on to item number 2. Oh yeah! Oh my God, I love these! Wow! the motionTEK jogger, another item that has been on my list for months, and I also got it in black because that is just the most classic color. You can wear it a million times. You don't have to worry about staining it. And oh my God, you guys, I love these pants. They are so lightweight, perfect for summer, for working out. They are so breathable. They're nice and stretchy. I love the thick waistband. I also love that it has a drawstring tie here. It has pockets on each side. And this is the material on the inside. Look at that like mesh. Hold on, let's let it focus. I feel like, I don't know if you guys can see how good the mesh is, but oh my God, it is unbelievable. Holy crap. I'm just obsessed with these pants. They are going to be perfect for the summer. I think I'm gonna bring these to Italy. I honestly might travel in these for Italy because they just feel perfectly lightweight to have a pant, but you're not gonna sweat and like die and overheat. Oh my gosh, and I love the like cinched ankle bottoms. I also love, so you can see there's like a line, just kind of a hem down each side here, which I think is really nice. They look really nice and sharp. They just look like a really nice, sleek, athletic pant. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with these. These are gonna become another staple in my closet, just like this skort. So we're doing good, 2 for 2 right now. So let's move on to item number 3. Oh, and I forgot to say, I am a small, and these are in ultra high rise. So I got the small size and they are ultra high rise. And you can see here, it says 4-way stretch, sweat wicking, breathable, and lightweight. These are amazing. So for item number 3, this is the last of the black items in the haul. This is the ultra high rise. I believe they're called, yeah, they're the linen blend pull-on short, and I got these in a small, and I'm kind of regretting it because I feel like I need them in an extra small. They feel a little bit too big, honestly. They are so comfortable though and adorable. I really wish that I think I'm gonna do a swap and exchange them for an extra small because I just think that these are so cute. Oh my gosh, I literally love them. I want them to be perfect because I feel like I will wear these in shorts a lot in Italy, so I want to do this as like a super quick swap of an exchange. And I don't know if when I put them in the wash, I don't know if you're supposed to wash, like I feel like you're supposed to just hang dry linen. And if I were to try and shrink them, I feel like they might be perfect, but I also feel like that could be a risk and I don't want to ruin them. So here you guys can see, and it's not that they're not crazy long or baggy. I just feel like there's like an entire extra panel that almost if it got folded over, it would still be a loose fit, but it wouldn't be as baggy. These feel a little bit frumpy for me. So these are the linen blend shorts. I'm gonna need to, at the end of this haul, I'm gonna see what items are things that I might want to exchange or return. So this is one that I have to put in the exchange pile because I love them. I just think they're a little bit too big. So let's move on to item 4. This is item number 4 and I am absolutely obsessed. Oh my God, I'm so happy. These are the Gauzy beach cover-up pants. I got these in a white size small, and oh my God, look how fun these are. These literally are the perfect cover-up. They are so light, they are so cozy and comfortable. I think they're so flattering. I absolutely love the look of the material. I love that it's see-through, honestly. Oh my gosh, I'm ready for summer. Oh my gosh, I'm literally obsessed. These are perfect. They fit exactly how I was hoping they would. They're the perfect length. You can see it's got a nice stretchy waistband here as well as a little drawstring. They're nice and loose and flowy. These are literally perfect for the beach, perfect for summer, and I honestly might even end up wearing these at like the end of the night. This is literally why I bought them partially, is to have something for the end of the night on mine and Matt's wedding day when we just want to be like cozy and chilling. These feel perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So this is item number 4. So let me now try on. Now we have only tops left. So let me try on item number 5. So I put back on my skirt for you guys to see these next items. And actually, it actually makes sense for me to raise the camera up since we're just looking at tops now. So let me do that. So this is the Essential Scoop Neck Tank in white. I got it in a size small. And I'll be honest, I feel like I have a little room. You can see it's not like, but I am gonna keep the size small because I wanna be able to put it in the dryer. I know that'll shrink it, and then I think it'll literally be absolutely perfect. I don't mind the extra room, and I just think this is a great classic tank top. I love how low the neck is. I think it's super flattering. Obviously it goes really well with my skirt. It's also a perfect height. So it literally hits, as you can see, I just pulled the skirt down. It hits right above the belly button, which is just perfect. Oh my God, I absolutely love this tank top. If I were to get more colors, which I literally might, I would probably get the size extra small, but I love this so much and it works good enough. So I'm keeping this one. So this is item number 5, the Essential Scoop Neck Tank. So let's try on item number 6. So item number 6 is the Essential Body Skimming Tee. Got it in a size small, and it is the light gray, and I absolutely love it. It is so soft. It is a little bit of a more loose fit, which I actually really like because I don't have a plain gray t-shirt with a fit like this. And I also know that if I wash it in and like dry it in the dryer, it'll shrink a little and be perfect. So just like the sizing with this tank top, if I were to order more, I would definitely get the extra small versus the small, but I don't mind how the small fits. I personally don't mind a little bit more of a loose fit. I feel like I have more like moderately medium tight fitting clothes, not crazy tight. I do have one thing that's like kind of like a little sexy item that I'm very excited about. I'm gonna have to try it on and see whether it's even appropriate for me to show you guys here as part of this haul, but we're gonna save that item for last. So as item number 6, like I told you, it's the Essential Polished Body Skimming Tee, and I love it. Super cute, super soft, and a great classic. So let's move on to item number 7 because I told you that I was all done with bottoms. That just wasn't true. We have one more bottom, so let me try it on. Okay, so item number 7, we got another skort. I honestly totally forgot about this one, but I am not mad. I am so amped about this. This is a white linen skort, and oh my gosh, it is so cute. I honestly love this outfit together. It's just classic. It's classic. Like, you can't go wrong with a little white linen skort. This makes me feel like I'm like a little tennis player. And I just love this outfit together. I think these are great together. Items 6 and 7 just look so cute. I also feel like this is going to be a really classic item in my closet. I'm going to wear this all the time. This linen skort is going to be great. absolutely bringing it to Italy without a doubt. I am so amped, you guys. Oh my gosh, I just think it's so cute. It's just adorable. I love it, I love it. So let me get a little closer for you to see it before we move on to items 8 and 9. Oh my god, I love these items together. This is like my biggest Abercrombie haul in maybe ever, and this is turning out to be such a successful haul. I'm obsessed. Seriously, we only have one thing that we feel like we need to swap as of now, and we only have 2 more things to try on. So let's keep going in the haul. I'm gonna try on item number 8. Item number 8, I know I'm gonna love. There's no way I'm not gonna love this because I already own this in another color. This is the Essential Sunday half zip, and I got it in the top gray or taupe. Got it in a size small. I love this thing. I'll try it on for you guys. This is like the softest. The Essential Sunday line is the coziest line that Abercrombie makes when it comes to sweatpants and sweatshirts.
Oh my god, it's buttery soft.
And cute as heck. Like literally, even with the skort, it looks cute. How cute is this half zip? Ah, I love it. I'm literally going to wear this all the time.
All the time.
It's so cozy, it's cute. I love this shade of gray. It even looks cute with this outfit, like with the gray t-shirt underneath. Oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, this is so cute. Let me try on the final item in the haul. Okay, so if you are Matt, stop watching. You need to skip this because you're gonna ruin a fun little surprise for yourself. So just X out the vlog. I'm gonna wait a second and I'm not gonna show what I'm wearing. And here's what I'll tell you as the audience who's not Matt. This does not fit. I feel like a sausage stuffed into a thimble. So we need another size in this, but it is really cute, so I do want to keep it. But I like cannot breathe, and I don't even know how I'm gonna get it off me. I'm not kidding. Don't know how this is gonna come off me because it's so tight. So the extra small in this was not the move. I need a small in this thing. Lace and satin balconette corset. I mistakenly got an extra small. That was my fault. It's so cute. Like, it's so sexy. I literally love it. It feels like the perfect fun thing to wear for your fiance on what is your like early honeymoon in Italy. It literally doesn't fit me. Okay. I just undid it. Woo! So that we can exchange this because I desperately need this in a size small. So I need the linen pants in an extra small and this in a small.
So,
let me take this off and we'll wrap up this vlog. I just put back on my tank top, but I'm still wearing the cutie linen white skort. I'm just so excited. I am so amped about all the things that I got from Abercrombie. I seriously feel like it was such a win, like such a good solid haul of classic things that I'm gonna wear all the time. Like, I'm just so excited. I cannot wait to go put these items away in my closet. So if you guys enjoyed this mega Abercrombie haul, $386, let me know. I will be sure to link all of these items in the description. So if you're looking for them, go check out the description. And I love you guys so much. Hit the thumbs up if you guys like the haul and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future videos because I have so much fun stuff for you guys coming up. Engagement party vlogs, travel vlogs to Italy. I'm so excited. So I'll see you guys in the next one. But this is the Latin and Sace. Latin and Sace